Hello and welcome. In this video, you'll complete 6 sentences by choosing either mustn't or don't have to. Take a moment to read each sentence carefully. You'll have 5 seconds to think about your answer. Need more time? Just pause the video. After each question, I'll walk you through the explanation so you can clearly understand when to use each modal. Let's begin. Sentence 1. Answer: you mustn't forget your ID. Mustn't is used here because forgetting your ID is something you are prohibited from doing. It's essential to bring your ID to the exam as it's likely required for entry or identification. Sentence 2. Answer: you don't have to do it again. Don't have to is used because cleaning the kitchen again is not necessary. The kitchen is already clean, so there's no obligation to do it. Don't have to indicates that the action is optional and not required. Sentence 3. Answer: students mustn't cheat in exams. Mustn't is used because cheating is strictly forbidden. It's against the rules and dishonest, so students are prohibited from doing it. Sentence 4. We don't have to decide today. Don't have to is used because deciding today is not necessary. There's still time available, so the action is optional. Don't have to indicates there's no obligation to act now. Sentence 5. Answer: you mustn't use your phone during the exam. Mustn't is used because using a phone during the exam is prohibited. It's likely against the exam rules as it could lead to cheating or disruption. Mustn't shows a strong obligation to avoid this action. Sentence 6. You don't have to print the tickets. Don't have to is used because printing the tickets is not necessary. Since you can show them on your phone, the action is optional. Don't have to indicates there's no obligation to print them. That's it for this exercise. Now you know when to use mustn't and don't have to in real-life situations. Practice these sentences again if you'd like, and stay tuned for more grammar exercises. See you next time.